Alright guys, thanks for joining on this break. It's the 11-12 Panini Certified. The last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets. October 12th at 7:59. And the box serial number 93889541. And the current time, Saturday, October 12th at 9:37. Same stuff on tomorrow guys, and good luck everybody. There, 93889541. Here's a sealed box. Alright. First hit, the San Jose Sharks, Brett Burns, fabric of the game. It's numbered 177, 399 for San Jose. Holidays. Mass Marvels. Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Nashville. Freshman signatures to the Ottawa Senators, Patrick Weirklich, Ottawa. And we have near red parallel, the Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. It's numbered 78, 199. Pacioretty. Base. The Minnesota Wild, near red dual jersey, Danny Heatley, number 55 of 150. Danny Heatley, the Wild. We have Eternals, the Montreal Canadiens, Emile Bouchard, the Montreal Canadiens. No numbering on those ones. Exodates. Nice one there for Ottawa. Rookie auto jersey, Mika Zibanejad. The Ottawa Senators, 141, 499. Certified Potential, Chicago Blackhawks, Marcus Kruger, that number, Chicago. And finish off to the base pack. So, there we have it, guys. Thanks again, and yeah, same stuff on tomorrow.